go. Sit down and buckle up. I expect this to be quick. The Rwandan police that won day 5 last year in a time of 3:54.08. They have a marker. They have a target, and that target is Uzbekistan police 401. Here we go. Rope climb. That's 15 feet, that rope climb. They've got to ring the bell at the top. One more to come. Traverse wall, also with a bell this year. Remember, the rough guide is to have that human ladder forming in a minute. Already, they're going good. Oh, ho, 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 ho. They're just going up there at a fair old clip. The next benchmark is to be at the barrel roll inside 2 minutes. Remember, they must touch the bells on those monkey bars, ninja boards. Then it is the crawl. Well, they're zipping along nicely. Just getting warmed up. The Rwanda National Police SWAT team won. And already they're on that barrel roll. I clocked that as 140. Was it even 139? Safiwe rooting for Rwanda. That's one. Three to go, 2 across, 3 to go. Oh, bouncing along at a lovely rate. Yeah, I'm like you, Emmanuel. I totally agree. I can't move either. Clement says, go higher. What are you talking about, Clement? Just shush for a second. That's good. 2:35. They finished the barrel roll in. That music certainly helps. Oh, that's different. Coming up the pipe in reverse. I don't think I've seen that today. As we hit the 3-minute mark. Oh, he's going along that washing line as if it's covered in grease. Oh, this is going to be tight. This is going to be tight. Rope swing. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be tight. They're over the Irish tables. 3 are already on top of the solo wall. Are Rwanda going to do it again for the 2nd year in a row? We've just crossed the 3.5-minute mark. Remember, the time to beat is 4:01 from Uzbekistan. Are they going to do it? Rwanda team 1 across the line in 3:46.2. They do it again. And they knock the Uzbekistan police off top spot, smashing their time of last year. The time they set was 3:54 in 2024. The jubilation. Are you not entertained? Wowzers! I said before, I thought teams would struggle to break the